Today, the judges of Pretrial Chamber 1 of the International Criminal Court unsealed an arrest warrant for Ronald Marapon de la Rosa. The arrest warrant was originally issued as secret on the 6th of November 2025.
Sabi ni Bato, sasabahan ko daw siya eh. Ako na magpoposa sa kanya, kaya natake ko siya.
Pero kasama daw kayo ng kasama ng mga taga-NBI?
Ayan, sila.
May isa-serve yung warrant ba?
Oo, isa-serve na yung warrant kay Bato.
Pinapasok kami, inibita kami, nag-coordinate kami, pinakain kami, pinapasok pa kami dun sa mga opisina, tumambay. Yun ang sabi sa amin, sabi namin, okay, hindi na ganun ngayon. Pero, ang maliwanag, hinayaan sila at inanyayahan pang kumain.
Sir, when was this encounter po with the SP Soto? Yung kiniklaim po na pinakain pa raw po.
Totoo naman, talaga naman.
Kailan
They were consulted kasi aarestuhin daw nila si Bato ng 2 o'clock. So nagantay sila before 2 o'clock. Pinakain sila. Yun ang pagkaintindi ko dun sa kwento ni Matibag.
And then, kinukuha din nila yung mga NBI agents na
Yung mga kinontempt, pilit nilang kinukuha. Tapos sabi namin, pwede ba i-clear muna to ng i-clear muna yung buong Senado, umalis, mag-withdraw muna kayo dito. Andito, umaasta yung mga NBI, kompleto yung long arms, nagla-lockdown, binubuksan yung mga sasakyan ng mga empleyadong papasok, pati yung papalabas. Ano ba ito? Dapat, ang una, mag-withdraw muna sila. Umalis muna sila rito kasi bago na ang liderato rito, hindi na kami kinonsulta. Ibang usapan na ngayon.
Anong naging agreement po, ma'am?
Ha?
Ano po ang naging pinagtapusan?
Oo daw, pero nagkakalat pa rin yung NBI. Andyan, nakikita ko pa eh.
Ma'am, nag-confirm na yung ICI na meron nga talagang warrant of arrest. ICC, sorry.
Wala.
Na there's actually a warrant of
Meron
arrest.
talaga
Sabi
daw.
nila?
Yes,
Sige lang, oo, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin, hanggang hindi natin nakikita. Alam natin may proseso yan. Ako nag-imbestiga doon sa pagkakidnap ni Presidente Duterte. ICC, wala namang enforcement arm yan, dadaan sa Interpol. Yung Interpol, tatawagan yung TCTC, yung ating transnational crime. Kailangan na yung ICC warrant dalhin sa korte na Pilipino dahil hihingi muna sila ng Pilipino warrant of arrest for enforcement of judgment, foreign judgment. Hindi basta-bastang papasok yan at dadamputin yung isang Pilipino. Bayan natin to eh. Tapos pagkukunin yung mga Pilipino ng basta. Tama ba yun?
Ma'am, na-impeach na po si
As soon as they heard na ang stand officially ng Senate, yung Senate Resolution 44 at yung manifestation ni Senator Marcoleta na dapat dumaan to sa korte, hindi na nila pinursu na arrestuhin siya ngayon. According to him, coordinated kay Senate President Tito Soto ang pagpasok nila. So ang balik namin sa kanya, coordinated man ang pagpasok nyo, hindi naman siguro tama o wala naman siguro nagbigay ng pahintulot makipaghabulan. So sinasabi niya that is incidents of the arrest, so we agreed to disagree at mag-fact finding. We explained to him na this is not a criminal or a administrative case that needs further study at meron pong due process. This is a contempt case. So, we agreed na kaso sa magsiksikan sila dito o inhumane dito under his custody pero hindi niya ipauwiin. He will hold them in the NBI, he will ask them to explain, then write me officially tomorrow. Separate yun sa bugbugan. He promised me that if, kasi ang report daw una sa kanya, ang usahan na nakit. I showed him the video. So sabi niya, let him get to the bottom at asahan na paparusahan ang dapat parusahan. So hanggang doon pa lang kami, but I was saying nga, despite all of those assurances, I do know he has bosses above him.
So Senator Bato will not be arrested tonight, but what about tomorrow?
We will see what the rest of government says after tonight. But ang appeal ko sa kanila, palakasin natin ang mga korte sa Pilipinas. Walang mawawala sa atin kung mag-a-apply sila ng warrant sa korte at pababayaan nila yung due process, lahat ng legal remedies. It will strengthen us, not weaken us.
So if the NBI wants to enter tomorrow the Senate premises, you would allow it? Not anymore.
Sir, yung
That is under...
Sinabi naman niya, kaya hindi naman daw sila papasok kung hindi sila pinayagan.
At ngayon naalis na sila, sir?
Yes.
Walis na
So,
sila, sir?
Ang request lang ng ibang senador not to suspend until tomorrow, until sure na wala nang natira. Marami kasing text, maraming mga balita na tinitingnan yung ibang kotse, nandyan sa labas, may armas. So isa-isa clarify and I have to take the PNP. Agad pinadala si General Aberin, who is a well-respected officer, at inassure niya ng police assistance. Hindi naman kailangan kasi between the NBI director, the ROSAA, and General Aberin, parang nagkasundo naman sila na walang untoward incidents. But despite that daw, magsastasyon daw sila ng police starting tonight ata or early tomorrow.
But no more NBI operatives inside.
Ang report sa akin right before this, nag-report daw ng wala, but umiikot ngayon ang Sergeant of Arms to make sure.
Na tanggap namin yan ay news, no, na meron na daong aircraft, pero of course nung pinapa-verify namin and the verification is ongoing now.
Ano to, naghihintay na po ngayon?
Kahapon ang pagka-receive ko ng news kasi ay nandyan na daw, so which should also explain the fact na may NBI na nga dito at dumating din si Mr. Antonio Trillanes at pinakita pa niya yung ICC warrant of arrest. That I do not know. We are verifying that, pero meron daw.
Attorney, balikan ko lang po yung salary. Does the senator plan to receive his salary papasok?
As what I have told you, we have not discussed that at length kasi maputol-putol yung aming mga discussion on other matters.
How
Hindi
about
kami
yung subpoena po ng PNP CIDG?
We will respond to that. We will respond. We believe that the subpoena is void, no? If you will read the subpoena itself, no? And the contents thereof. This is the very first subpoena where you are required not only to appear, but you have to submit an affidavit and that of your witnesses. You could not do that in a subpoena. How can you require a respondent to right away, right then and there submit an affidavit? The respondent has the option on what to do, and you could not dictate as to the course of action that the respondent would take. So, yun ang mga namin. But we will respect it and act accordingly.
What legal action, sir, doon sa subpoena ng DILG?
That is a matter that I cannot disclose to you right away because somebody is watching now and they will be able to read and telegraph our moves.
Attorney, as his lawyer, will you suggest Senator Bato to do the business as usual here at the Senate? Because he intends to do that today po and the next days to come po.
That is the intention and that is the plan, and I hope and pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that there will be no obstructions to such plan, and I'm hoping really and praying and I'm on bended knees before the Supreme Court that they will act on our humble prayers that our TRO injunction would finally be granted.
Alright? Thank you very much.
Salamat ha. Thank you. Salamat.